Apple cider vinegar is mostly apple juice, but adding yeast turns the sugar in the juice into alcohol. This is a process called fermentation. Bacteria turn the alcohol into acetic acid. That's what gives vinegar its sour taste and strong smell. Apple cider vinegar has a long history as a home remedy. People used vinegar for medicinal purposes like fighting infection, used to treat things like sore throat and varicose veins, healing wounds, and managing blood sugar. It's not proven effective for all of those uses, but there are a few health benefits of apple cider vinegar that are notable. Some researchers have been taking a closer look at apple cider vinegar and its possible benefits. Some people say the cloud of yeast and bacteria you might see in a bottle of apple cider vinegar, is what makes it healthy. These things are probiotic, meaning they might give your digestive system a boost, but there isn't enough research to back up the other claims. Here are some of the 6 benefits when using apple cider vinegar. 1. Weight loss. Some believe that drinking a small amount of ACV before eating will lead to weight loss, and there is some evidence it could help. A study compared weight loss between people who drank no vinegar, 15 milliliters of vinegar, or 30 milliliters of vinegar over 12 weeks. The researchers found that the groups consuming vinegar daily lost more weight compared to the placebo group by the end of the study. They also had reduced visceral fat, BMI, triglycerides, and waist circumference. This is a significant benefit, because belly fat, visceral fat, is associated with metabolic syndrome, which is bad for your heart. 2. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. The most effective and healthiest way to regulate blood sugar levels is to avoid refined carbs and sugar, but apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effect. A small study in people with diabetes reported that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar diluting with water before bedtime reduced fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. 3. Lower cholesterol levels. Consuming apple cider vinegar could reduce total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. While more research is needed to see if these results are generalizable to a larger population, it's fair to say ACV may be a good complementary option for those treating high cholesterol. Always check with your healthcare provider about the best course of treatment, and if ACV could be right for you. 4. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the protective skin barrier. Given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. However, keep in mind that human always has reactions, and instead can cause skin irritation, so talk with your doctor before trying new remedies, especially on damaged skin. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar to the skin, as it can cause burns. 5. Improved hair health. Apple cider vinegar is a common ingredient found in natural shampoos. This may be because it contains acetic acid, which helps to naturally lower pH. Research has found benefits of lower pH for hair health, and the antimicrobial benefits of ACV are well documented. All that to say, ACV may help to balance and clarify your hair, and it could also potentially help hair to fight off bacteria, which may be harming the health and appearance of your looks. 6. How apple cider vinegar helps with digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar for digestion can get rid of heartburn, reduce bloating, improve digestion overall. When we experience pain and discomfort after a meal, we should listen to our bodies and realize that something is not exactly right. Maybe we ate too much, or maybe our digestive system doesn't work properly. Proper digestion means proper acid levels in the stomach so the nutrients in our food can be absorbed. When there's not enough acid, food is not properly broken down and the nutrients are not assimilated, which can lead to digestive issues like the ones we mentioned. Drinking apple cider vinegar for digestion means increasing acid production. And that leads to proper digestion. Apple cider is rather harmless, but too much of anything can cause problems. Also, there are certain instances when apple cider vinegar is not at all recommended. For example, if you have a stomach ulcer or kidney problems. Drinking apple cider vinegar without diluting is not at all recommended because apple cider vinegar is acidic and it can cause The acid in vinegar can erode tooth enamel. Weaker teeth can lead to dental problems down the line, including tooth decay. Indigestion. Too much apple cider vinegar can cause indigestion. Digestive problems. This may sound counterintuitive since apple cider vinegar can improve digestion, but for someone who has ulcers or acid reflux, apple cider vinegar will only worsen the symptoms. Skin burns. Another counterintuitive one since apple cider vinegar can soothe sunburn, but if you apply it to the skin undiluted, it can burn your skin. While ACV may be beneficial to diabetics, it may also alter insulin levels. You should be particularly careful with vinegar and speak to your healthcare provider before increasing your apple cider vinegar intake. In short, apple cider vinegar probably won't hurt you. You can try it because it's calorie-free, adds lots of flavor to food, and has health benefits. But it isn't a miracle cure. In other words, there are some provable benefits to consuming apple cider vinegar on a regular basis. So, if you're considering giving ACV a try, start slow to gauge how your stomach handles it. And consider talking to a physician you trust about the potential risks, especially interactions with your current medications, and benefits before going all in. If you like the video, give thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends, and leave a comment for more recipes.